Hello everyone, welcome to the online session of Basic Electronics. I am Amit Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this particular video of digital circuits, I am going to discuss the NAND and NOR universal gates. So let us begin. We will first prove that the NAND is the universal gate and NOR is the universal gate. So why it is called the universal gate? Because using just a NAND gate only, we can design any digital logic, and just using NOR gate only, we can design any digital logic circuits. Because while fabrication of integrated circuit, uniformity of the device is very important. Otherwise, we need to perform lots of functions or lots of steps for fabrication, and to reduce this number of fabrication steps, the uniform or the same device is being used. So if we are using this NAND gate, then the whole circuitry or the integrated circuit can be designed using just the NAND gate. And if we are designing the circuit using NOR gate, then the whole integrated circuit can be fabricated using this NOR gate. So that is why the concept of universal gate is there. So let us begin. Let us show that NAND gate is a universal gate. How we will be able to prove that the NAND gate is a universal gate? We had seen the different logic gates classification. We had seen some of the basic gates, that is the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Then we had seen the derived gate also. So if we can design all this logic gate operation using just NAND, that is the only NAND, then we can prove that NAND gate is the universal gate. So let us begin with that. We are going to show the NOT logic using the NAND gate only. So the first we will see the NOT gate using the NAND. That means the logic gate or the circuit which we are going to use is an of NAND, but the logic operation which is performed has to be of NOT. So NOT gate Boolean equation we know, this is Y is equal to A bar, where A is the input and Y is the output, and we have NAND logic gate only. So NAND logic gate is shown with this. We have two input NAND gate. If I join these two inputs, that means because in the NOT operation I am having just one input. If I join this two input and apply A only to both of this input, then what will be the output? So output of this NAND gate will be, as it has the two inputs, the one of the input is A and another input is also A. So A dot A whole bar, and in the Boolean algebra we know that A dot A is A only. So ultimately we are getting A bar. So using NAND gate only, we have seen the functionality of NOT gate. Now we will see AND gate using the NAND gate, and for that I will write the Boolean equation for the AND gate, that is output is Y, then A dot B, and I want to design this AND gate using the NAND, and for that I will use, just to simplify that, A dot B. If I put 2 times inverse, then the logic doesn't change, right? So I'm having simple logic circuit which gives me, this is, this operation is NAND operation, and for that I'm putting one NAND gate, A and B, and it's NAND, that is A dot B whole bar, and then one more inverse or NOT gate is to be placed. So I will put a NAND gate, it's both the inputs are being shorted, and then I will get A dot B 2 times bar, and ultimately it will be A dot B. So this is how I can design the AND gate using NAND gate. So I need to put just one NOT gate at the output of the NAND gate. Now we will see how to design OR gate using the NAND gate. For that I will put the equation for the OR gate, that is A plus B. A, B are the input, Y is the output. Now I have to rearrange this Boolean equation in such that it provides me dot, that is product, and bar. So NAND operation is a product and inverse. That is why I will just put inverse 2 times. It doesn't change the functionality, and I will use De Morgan's theorem for this part. This is De Morgan's theorem says that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So I will put that is A bar dot B bar for this circle part, and the upper inverse, that is bar, is still there. Now I will draw the logic circuit of OR gate using the NAND gate. So what I will do? I will do first A bar. So A bar, I will use this as NOT gate using NAND. This gives A bar, and then B bar. Again NOT gate using NAND. This is B, this is B bar. And for A bar and B bar we have operation dot bar, that means NAND operation. So I will put one more NAND gate over here. So output is A bar dot B bar whole bar, that is A plus B. Now we will see the NOT gate using NAND gate, and the equation for that is A plus B whole bar. So what we will do? We will use the circuit diagram of OR gate only. We will put just NAND gate at the output of this. So I will repeat the same circuit diagram which is drawn over here. I have input A, this is A bar. I have input B, this is B bar, and then we have this NAND gate which provides us A bar dot B bar whole bar. This is the same as the circuit diagram of the OR gate, and I will just put one NOT gate using NAND, and it gives me A bar dot B bar, and that is nothing but I am having A bar A plus B whole bar. This is from the De Morgan's theorem. So this is a circuit diagram for NOR gate using the NAND gate. Now we will see the XOR gate using the NAND gate, and for that I will write the Boolean equation for the XOR gate. So Y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Again I will try to arrange this equation in such that we have product and bar only. We will remove this plus sign, and for that we will be using De Morgan's theorem. So A bar B plus A B bar, and I will just write inverse 2 times, and I am applying this De Morgan's theorem for this. So I will have A bar B whole bar into A B bar whole bar, and outer bar or inverse is still there. And for this equation we have just product and inverse. So for product we will be using NAND gate, and for inverse we will be using NOT gate. I will draw the logic circuit from this Boolean equation. So first we will do A bar, and for A bar we have NOT gate using NAND A, and it provides A bar. We have here input B, and between these two we have dot and then bar. So I will put a NAND gate over here which gives me A bar dot B whole bar. So first part is done, this much is done. Now I am having B bar. So I will put, not using NAND, this is giving me B bar. I will use this A and this B bar, I am putting this NAND, so A into B bar whole bar. So I am having this second part, and this two part in between this dot and bar, that's why I will use this NAND gate. So ultimately it provides me this equation, and finally it is the XOR gate. Now to draw the logic circuit of XOR gate using the NAND gate, what we will do, we will draw the same circuit and we will just put one NOT gate using the NAND gate. So the same circuit will be repeated and we will just put one NOT gate after that. So equation for this XNOR is A B plus A bar B bar, and we can write the same thing as A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. So we are going to draw the same circuit and we'll put one NAND gate over here. So we have this A bar, we have this B bar, we will have A bar B whole bar, and that is why I will take this as the input, and I will have one more, that is A into B bar whole bar, and for that I will take this input A over here. The same circuit I am drawing which was drawn for the XOR gate, and this NOT gate, and again there will be one NOT gate. So this is providing me this output of the XOR gate. So this is a logic circuit diagram for all the logic gates using the NAND. So it is being proved that the NAND gate is a universal gate. So all the logics can be designed using the NAND gate only. Now we will prove that the NOR gate is a universal gate. Now you all know the procedure. So we are going to follow the same procedure to prove that the NOR gate is a universal gate. So we will design first NOT gate using NOR gate. The equation is y is equal to A bar. So we will be using this NOR gate only. It's a 2-input gate, but we will short both of the input and we will apply A to that. The output we will have is A plus A whole bar, and A plus A in the Boolean algebra, you know, that is A only, that's why it is A bar. Now we will design OR gate. The Boolean equation for OR gate is A plus B, and we want NOR operation, that means plus and bar. So we can write A plus B and 2 times inverse. So we will have first NOR gate, that is A and B. So we will write A plus B whole bar, and for this upper bar we will use the NOT gate, which is designed using the NOR gate only. So we have A plus B only. So this is how we can design the OR gate using the NOR gate. Now we will see AND gate using the NOR gate. For that we will write equation y is equal to A dot B, and again over here what we want, NOR operation, that means plus and inverse. So we will just put A dot B 2 times inverse, and we'll use De Morgan's theorem for this, and that is A bar plus B bar whole bar, and we are going to design the circuit based on this. First we want A bar, and for that we will use NOT gate, that is A bar, and then we have B bar, so B, and this is B bar, and for this A bar and B bar we have NOR operation, that is plus and bar. So this is A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this is nothing but A dot B only. So this is the circuitry of AND gate using the NOR gate, and to develop NAND gate using NOR gate we will use the same circuit which is over here, and we will just put one NOT gate at the output. we have equation y is equal to a dot b whole bar, and I'm going to draw the same circuitry again. This is A bar, this is B, this is B bar, and between this A bar and B bar we have this A bar plus B bar whole bar, and then I will put just one NOT gate using this. So finally I will have A dot B whole bar. So this is same circuitry, but just this extra NOT gate using NOR is placed. Now we will design the XOR gate using the NOR gate. For that we will write the equation for XOR gate, A bar B plus AB bar. Again for the XOR gate we want, again for the NOR gate we want plus and bar sign. So I will just put A bar dot B plus A B bar. I will just put the bar sign over here 2 times like this, and I will apply the De Morgan's theorem for this much part and again for this much part. Then I will be able to get this A bar twice plus B bar, and upper bar is still there, plus A bar and plus B bar twice, and still upper bar is there. So this becomes A. So I will write A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar. So I'm going to draw the circuit based on this Boolean equation. So now we have plus sign and bar, plus sign and bar. But outer we have just plus only. So I will put 2 times bar at last. So we will design the circuit based on this Boolean equation. So first we will see B bar, and for that we have this NOT gate using NOR B and then B bar, and with this B bar we have input A. Again we want A bar also, that's why I have taken A and this A bar. This is B bar. So with this input I will put this NOR gate. So A plus B bar whole bar. So this portion is done, this portion. And now another one is A bar plus B whole bar. So I will take this B from here, this is A bar plus B whole bar. So we have this 2, and now we want just plus, but we have NOR operation. So we will draw a NOR gate after this and then NOT gate. So it will provide the OR operation. This is a NOR gate, and after that we have NOT gate using NOR. So finally we will have the equation of this XOR. And again the XNOR gate using NOR gate. For that we will draw the same circuitry. I am not repeating this circuit over here, and just you can remove this NOT gate or you can add one more NOT gate. With this I am ending this session over here. Thank you.